Hello friends, today I'm going to create a button which looks like 3D button when hover. For that I'm going to write the button text and make it auto layout. Give it a color fill, increase the size of the button. Give it a radius value. Now duplicate the button and change the background color of first button to black. Now I'm gonna select both button and align it horizontal center. Select both button and make a frame selection. Select this overall frame and duplicate it. Now from second frame, which has two frames inside it, I will select the first button which have white background and move it little up. Now I'm gonna select all and create a component set. Finally, go to prototype and connect the first variant to second. Trigger I will select while hover. It will be smart animation and duration will be 1000 milliseconds. I have already a frame here, so I will put the button here to see how is it working. Let's check the presentation. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out my next video.